How to cancel Zelle payment on Chase mobile app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your Chase mobile app and log into your account. After that, you would be able to find the option of pay and transfer. Simply select it. And after that, you should be able to find the option of pay bills and send money with Zelle. Simply select it, and over there you would be able to find the option of recent payments. Simply go to your recent payments, and there you would be able to find different payments and select the pay and select the transaction which is pending, and this way click on it, and after that you can cancel it up. If a transaction has already passed and the amount has been deducted from your account, then you won't be able to cancel it up. Now, in order to cancel a transaction or a payment, make sure that it is pending, otherwise you won't be able to cancel it up. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.